Well, let's take a look at our eighth type of problem. Our first example says the point given is on the terminal side of an angle in standard position. Find the exact values of the trig functions. So I got -2 and -11. So this is a point that's given. So they give us x and y, and it's not on the unit circle. Well, first thing we need to do is we need to have x, y, and r. So I'm going to find r using x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Well, plug -2 in for the x, so I got -2 squared plus plug -11 in for the y, so I got -11 squared equals r squared. So that gives us 4 plus 121 equals r squared. 125 equals r squared. Drop a squared. Now, I'm not going to put a plus or minus here because r has to be positive. And I can break this down. This is 5 times 5 times 5. And again, we're looking for a pair of somethings. So here's a pair of 5s. That's going to come out. So r is 5 square root of 5. Okay, that's x, that's y, this is r. Let me run them down again. X is -2, y is -11, r is equal to 5 square root of 5. So then, cosine theta is equal to x over r, which is -2 over 5 square root of 5. And don't want a square root downstairs, so multiply top and bottom by square root of 5. So I get -2 square root of 5 over 25. Now sine. Sine is y over r. Y is -11. R is 5 square root of 5. And don't want a square root of 5 downstairs, so multiply top and bottom by it. So we got -11 square root of 5 over 25. And tangent is equal to y over x. Y is -11, x is -2, which gives us 11 halves. Okay. Secant. That's going to be cosine flipped. I'll pick the appropriate place to flip. I'll flip this fraction right here, and it becomes 5 square root of 5 over -2. Cosecant is sine flipped, and I'll pick the appropriate place. I'll pick it right here, and we get 5 square root of 5 over -11. And cotangent is tangent flipped, the reciprocal of it. So this becomes 2 over 11. And those will be our 6 answers. Let's take a look at another example. This one, same instructions. We're given -3 and 10. Again, this is x and this is y, and we need r. So we got x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So we got -3 squared plus 10 squared is equal to r squared. So we got 9 plus 100 is equal to r squared, or 109 is equal to r squared. Drop a squared, put a square root on the other side. I don't think that breaks down. If it does, I sure don't see it. Let's see. It's not divisible by 2, not by 3, not by 4, not by 5. 6, no. If it's not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 6. 7, no. 9, no, they definitely wouldn't be. 10, no. Okay, I think it's fine. Okay, so cosine theta is equal to x over r. X is -3. R is square root of 109. Can't have a square root downstairs, so multiply top and bottom by square root of 109. And we got -3 square root of 9. -3 square root of 109 over 109. Now sine is equal to y over r. Y is 10. So 10 over square root of 109. Can't have a square root of 109 downstairs, so we multiply top and bottom by it. And we get 10 square root of 109 over 109. Tangent is equal to y over x, which is 10 over -3. Secant, that's the reciprocal of cosine. It's cosine flipped. I'll pick this first fraction here. So I got square root of 109 over negative 3. And cosecant is sine flipped, which would be square root of 109 over 10, if I flip this fraction here. And then cotangent will be tangent flipped, which will be negative 3 over 10. And those are our six values that we're looking for. And our last of that particular problem type.